Hello everyone, it's Hiren here. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make over $300 per day on YouTube without making any videos. And we are not going to be using the AdSense method. We are not going to be running any ads on our videos. We are going to monetize it in a different way. So make sure you watch this video till the end. And if you are new to my YouTube channel, please make sure you press the subscribe button because I upload daily videos on this channel on how to make money online. Before we jump to the video, make sure you watch everything step by step till the end. If you miss something, you're going to do it the wrong way and you're not going to be able to make money with this method. I want to show you the niche that we are going to be using in today's video. If you go and type in motivation on YouTube, you're going to see that this is one of the biggest niche on YouTube and it is the best niche to monetize on YouTube. By the way, we're not going to monetize our video with ads. This is a really big niche. You can see that it has videos with crazy amount of views. You can say this video, it has 30 million views in 1 year. With this method, you can make easily $100 or $200. There are no limits to how much you can make. It is really easy to earn with this method with a low amount of views. Even if you have a few thousand views per day, you can make up to, let's say, $500 per day. And I'm going to explain to you how you can do this step by step. Okay, so you're going to be making motivational videos. Don't worry, you don't have to record them. The method that we are going to use is to create these type of videos. We are going to search for motivational speech. Next thing that you need to do is really important because you can't just go and steal any video. If you steal any video, you will get copyrighted and claimed. To do this method the right way, you have to go and click on filter. Next, you want to search for Creative Commons videos, and what we are going to do is we are going to find Creative Commons videos that are successful. The Creative Commons videos that have special speeches in them. So you can see that this video right here, it is very popular and it has 1.8 million views. Make sure you recheck if it's Creative Commons video. Click on show more. Here you can see the license to this video is Creative Commons, which means you can reuse. Reuse is allowed. You can go and reuse these type of videos, but we are not going to take the video. We are going to take the speech from this video. To do that, copy the link of this video and go to YouTube downloader, paste the link and download the MP3 file, which means only sound file. Let's click on download and you can see we have downloaded the sound of this video, which is actually a motivational speech. Next, you need to find a free video. There are two ways that you can find free videos that you can reuse. You can use this website called Pixel or this other website called Pixabay. You can take any of the videos from these sites as they are free. They also have some paid videos, so you don't want to download those as you don't want to buy the paid videos. You can go and download, for example, this video right here. You can download it for free and you can see it has some sound which is not copyrighted. So you don't have to worry about getting copyright strikes. Let's download this video. It looks amazing. You can select the quality of the video and click on download. You can see we are downloading the video and it says crediting isn't required, but if you want to link the owner who created this video, you can do that. So if you want to support the owner for creating this video, you can do that. You can't just go and download any of the videos. You have to go to websites that provide stock videos that are free to use. The other example is Pixels. I want to show you these two websites. First website is Pixabay and the second website is Pixels. You can go and download any of the videos that are free. For example, let's go and download this random one. Let's use this for an example. We are going to click on free download and again it says thank you. You can say thanks. You can go and credit the owner or send them some donation if you want, but it isn't required. If you want to support the owner that created this video, you can do that. But if you don't want to, that is completely fine. So we have downloaded the sound and 2 videos. Let's go and download a few more videos just to make sure that we have enough content for our video. So I'm going to download some random ones for this example. I'm not going to be doing any research for the content because I don't want to waste your time and make this video a 50-minute video. But when you download videos, please make sure that you research and download videos that are relatable to the content that you're downloading for. Okay, so I've downloaded 5 videos. Let's go and create our own video. The next step is we need a video editor. I'm using Camtasia Studio, but if you don't want to use this video editor, you can find tons of free ones on Google. Just search for video editor online, and this right here, one of the best online video editor that you don't even need to download. You can just go and upload your footage on this video editor and create your own video. VVideo is one of the best free online editor. You can use any of these ones that you like. All the video editors are same, and we don't need any special effects, so everything is pretty much the same in these video editors. Just go and find the one that you actually like, or you can use Camtasia Studio. I'm using Camtasia Studio. Let's create our video. I'm opening Camtasia Studio, and let's import all the files that we have downloaded to create our video. First of all, we are going to use the sound file, so let me put that on top. Next, we want to put all the videos. We have around 1 minute and 21 seconds of video that we've downloaded, but we need around 7 minutes of the content for the video. For example, 7 minutes, we can cut this part of the video. So let's see how this looks like. You're going to play this video that you've downloaded from Pixel and Pixabay. This is a really great way to create your own unique content with Creative Commons sound. So this is going to be, as I said, very creative and unique content, and also you can monetize some of these videos with AdSense, but we are not going to be doing that. We are not going to be monetizing with AdSense. Actually, we are going to be demonetizing all of our videos. We don't want to use AdSense money, because there are better ways to monetize these types of videos. Let's go back to Google. You can use any affiliate marketing network. I'm using ClickBank. If you want to use ClickBank, you can go and create a ClickBank account for free. Just go on ClickBank, sign up for a free account right here. Make sure you enter all of your information correctly, because if you enter something wrong, you're not going to be able to get paid. It is 100% free to join ClickBank, so you can just go and create your ClickBank account, and after you are done, you can come back and you can go on affiliate marketplace. Here is what you can do is you can find affiliate products that you can promote and get commission from. This is how we are going to be making money. This is the most important part, how to make money, and we are going to select products that are related to motivation. And if you promote this product, if someone buys this product via your affiliate link, you're going to get 72% from the sale, which is around $100 per sale. How to select which product to promote? Go on the categories right here on the left. We are going to search for this category right here. You can see right here the most popular product, Manifestation Magic. This is something related to manifesting or motivation, and what you can do right here is you can promote this product to the people that are interested in motivation. You can put, just like this guy did, you can put the affiliate link right here in the description, and people that watch your video, they like your content, and you can tell them if you want to learn more about motivation, you can click right here on this affiliate link, and if they go and click on that link, they're going to land on the landing page of this product. You can see they're going to watch this video, which is going to explain how this product is going to help your customer, and after some time they're going to offer them to buy the product. After around 10 minutes, they're going to offer them to buy this product. You can see that they can buy this product for $47. And how are we going to make money? When they buy this product for $47, you're going to earn 73% commission on this, which is going to be around $36.47. So let's say you get 1,000 views on your YouTube video that is related to motivation, and from AdSense you would earn around $3 to $4, sometimes even $2 per 1,000 views. But from affiliate marketing, let's say 3 people from the 1,000 people that watched your video buy this product for $47, you're going to earn $36 3 times, which is around $108. So almost $108 profit that you made from 3 sales. You can also see you can earn up to $300 per sale with some upsells. So if people buy some other products that they offer, you're going to earn commission on those upsells as well. Not everyone that watches your video is going to buy. So let's say from 1,000 people that watch your video, 3 people buy the product, and usually the number is a little higher, but let's say only 3 people from 1,000 people that watch your video buy the product, you're going to earn a lot of money with a little bit of views. So if you get, let's say, 3,000 views per day, you're going to be getting 3 sales per 1,000 views that buy your product, and you'll be earning around $320. You would make $320 every single day if 9 people out of 3,000 views buy your product. So this is how you're going to make money on YouTube. You don't need to go and just make money from ads from your videos. You can monetize videos in different ways. I know from my experience that this method works. You're probably going to get some sales if you get some views on your video because you're promoting a product that is related to the people that are watching your video. If you promote something different, like for example relationship advice on motivational videos, that is not going to work because you're trying to sell a product that is not related to the video. So make sure you stick to products that are related to videos. If you create motivational videos, try to promote motivational products. That is how we are going to be making money with this YouTube method with very low amount of views. That's it for today's video, guys. If you want some more videos like this, make sure you press the subscribe button, and also make sure you like this video to support me for making free content. And if you have any questions, you can write down in the comment section. And thank you guys for watching. See you on the next video. Bye.